Today on the galley, we are making these crispy on the outside, soft and tender on the inside, packed full of flavor, Parmesan potato rounds. So I'm starting with just one potato. It's gonna make a lot, and especially for Billy and I, it's plenty. Now, you can do this with baking potato, you can do this with your Yukon Gold potatoes, but I am gonna peel mine first. Now, I'll really suggest a mandolin here if you have one. You want these super, super, super thin. If you don't have a mandolin, just cut them by hand, as thin as you can. I'm gonna do a half a teaspoon of my kosher salt, and I kind of want to sprinkle a little bit and mix them up. Make sure all the potatoes have a little bit of salt on them. I'm definitely going white pepper here. I think white or mixed pepper. You can do your black pepper, but I think it's a little strong. And a good quarter of a teaspoon, and then a quarter teaspoon of dried thyme. If you have fresh thyme, it's a really nice addition. And then I have a half cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Again, mix it up really good. And then I have 4 tablespoons, half a stick of melted butter. I'm gonna pour that around. Now I'm just gonna get in here with both hands. I just wanna make sure these potatoes get separated from each other and get completely coated. So my muffin tin, it's cast iron. So I'm gonna set my oven at 400 degrees. If you have a like aluminum muffin tin, then set your oven for 425 degrees. I've got my tallow here, and I'm gonna brush all of my tins really well. I'm really not sure how many this is gonna make, but for my cast iron, it's fine. And I really want to put it in the oven with the little tallow on it. You can also use butter. You could use avocado oil. And then we start stacking. And we stack, and we stack, and we stack. So really kind of what we're doing here is like potato galettes, but individual ones. And you want them to come up high a little bit. You want them to come over, I'm sure you can see, because they're going to shrink down. This is nice to do for company because you can do them in advance. And then once you've flipped them out, you can just pop them on a sheet tray back in the oven to warm up. So it's a really nice dinner party potato dish. You can also do the exact same thing with sweet potatoes. And then anything we have left in here, and drizzle over the top. I'm going into my oven, 35-40 minutes. Okay, out of the oven. We've been about 35 minutes. Aren't they pretty? Oh, so we're looking for this nice brown crust. You want your knife to easily go through them. So we're perfect. I'm gonna give them about 5 minutes to kind of settle in before we start taking them out. Okay, time is up. So I'm gonna run my knife around each one just to be on the safe side. And I'm gonna pick it up. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that. Look at all of those layers of potato and buttery Parmesan. Goodness. Oh, that's beautiful. It's just pretty. Now, I'm sure this is too hot for me to take a bite out of, but we can't let things like that stop us, right? I don't want my serrated knife. All right, there we go. Let's have a peek at the inside. So we're gonna be crispy on the outside and soft and tender on the inside. Oh, love it. You know, it just goes to show muffin tins aren't just for muffins. They're for potatoes too. Mmm. 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 If you let me, I would stand here and just eat all these, and that would be my dinner. So delicious. The perfect amount of soft and crispy together. The taste is amazing. Oh, these are so good. And look at this. 1 potato for 2 people for dinner. I mean, that's amazing. Okay, I have to stop eating them. I'm gonna have to save them for dinner. But what an easy potato dish. And again, make these ahead. You can make these the day ahead. Pop them in the refrigerator. Let them come through temperature on a sheet tray in the oven, and warm them up for dinner. So amazing. Okay, I'm gonna eat this other half or quarter. Can't stop myself. Crispy Parmesan potato rounds. You're gonna love them, and I'll see you later.